Welcome to my unbiased X-Trend Premium Indicator review. What is Karl Dittmann's X-Trend Premium is all about? This groundbreaking signal indicator will certainly enable you win numerous trades throughout a brief span of time regardless of your expertise. No matter if you are newbie or an seasoned trader. Plenty of potential traders normally realize it is challenging determining the proper entry and exit points in their trades well before the market shifts its direction. This may not end up being a challenge any longer, as X-Trend Premium will certainly assist you with that. It is a trend-based indicator that works by using innovative algorithms that undoubtedly distinguishes each and every feature of the trend right from starting point to the end, and notifies you to trade by using large odds of good results. It's a highly effective MT4 scalping Forex signal indicator, not EA, robot, which functions on all pairs and M1, M5 timeframes. X-Trend Premium is supplied with a unique Adaptive TakeProfit technology which crank out up to 3 take-profit levels based on the current market circumstances. This is certainly a highly effective feature. X-Trend Premium Indicator comes along with a step-by-step user manual with screenshots, hints and stock trading instructions. It will help you get the most out of this amazing trading tool in the shortest time. Signals never repaint. If you receive a new signal, it will continue to be there. The indicator will not adjust its mind and reposition the signal. No repaint, extremely accurate buy-sell signals, special adaptive take-profit technology, 3 variations of signal alerts and numerous trading styles. All in merely one indicator. The X-Trend Premium will certainly help you prevent those many lousy trades by filtering out flat movements when trends are not spotted. This undoubtedly will help you, since traders do not get this right by trading into flat markets exactly where they have no clue whether it is going to go up or down. Consequently, the X-Trend Premium has been created to assist you accumulate several wins by equipping it with built-in smart exit technology that will aid you to recognize the ideal time to exit trades and lock in profits as soon as possible. For that reason, all of these options bundled in this software are to help you anticipate the very best time to enter and exit your trades before the price retraces or jumps where we do not want it to go. X-Trend Premium Review. X-Trend Premium's method of alert. It provides various integrated alert methods which are constantly geared up to immediately alert you of new trade opportunities within just seconds, so you won't overlook a thing, with each alert giving you the entry price, stop loss, take profit, currency pair and the time frame the signal was generated on. The X-Trend Premium Indicator comes with 3 systems for notifying you to all the new trading opportunities that show up. What do you get when you order the package? When you order for a package, you receive 1. Software. You receive a full lifetime edition of the exact application, with the exact same configurations that the creator implemented to perform all his successful trades, together with the built-in smart exit technology plus the signal notification system with 3 different options to pick out from. 2. Support. You will receive support from Karl Dittmann himself whenever you ask for help. 3. Step-by-step beginner-friendly user guide. This will help you in the installation and setting up. 4. Updates. You will obtain 100% free revisions of the software package for life. How does X-Trend Premium work? X-Trend Premium is built-in smart exit technology that allows you to find the right time to exit your trades and get profits as soon as feasible. You will receive profitable trades every time. Therefore, you will certainly devote very fewer time in the trades and more time in getting revenue. Here, you will understand how to make use of the 4 steps to make profits with the X-Trend Premium. Step 1. You have to sign up for the X-Trend Premium to M1 and M5 chart for the trading technique. Step 2. This application will instruct you when to enter your trade on buy and sell signal with the advised stop loss. Step 3. You can exit the trade at the Smart Exit. You will learn how to take profit from the trading signal. Step 4. You can replicate the provided steps every time you wish to generate more profits. X-Trend Premium Review Conclusion. X-Trend Premium Indicator is the extremely advised Forex trading application for traders who desire to earn with the Forex market. This software uses the best entry points and tracks to produce more revenue. You will minimize the losing trades. And finally, X-Trend Premium Indicator is sold via a trustworthy digital retailer with safe and secure checkout process, product refund guarantee and a reliable user assistance. It's furthermore a digital product you can access immediately anytime you have internet connection. To download the X-Trend Premium Indicator, check the description below this video.